The dragon's shadow, China's drone swarm. China's drone industry has exploded in recent years, creating a force to be reckoned with. Current estimates suggest China possesses over 10,000 military and dual-use drones, a number that dwarfs most other nations. This vast fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles represents a significant shift in military power and poses a direct challenge to traditional military forces, particularly those ill-equipped to counter this evolving threat. Russia, despite its military might, is one such nation finding itself increasingly vulnerable to China's drone dominance. While the sheer number of Chinese drones is concerning, the real danger lies in their rapidly advancing capabilities. China has invested heavily in drone research and development, leading to increasingly sophisticated platforms. From small tactical drones used for surveillance and reconnaissance to larger combat-capable drones armed with precision-guided munitions, China's drone arsenal is diverse and constantly evolving. Russia's vulnerability, a technological gap. Russia's military, heavily reliant on Cold War-era equipment and doctrine, faces a growing technological gap with China in the realm of drone warfare. This gap is especially concerning given Russia's dependence on China for critical drone components. Recent intelligence reports suggest that as much as 80% of the components used in Russia's own fledgling drone program originate in China. This reliance creates a strategic vulnerability for Russia. In a potential conflict, China could easily disrupt the supply chain, crippling Russia's drone capabilities. Furthermore, there are concerns that China could exploit this reliance for intelligence purposes. Embedded sensors or backdoor access to software within these components could provide China with valuable insights into Russia's drone operations and even broader military activities. This dependence on a potential adversary for such critical technology presents a significant challenge for Russia's long-term military planning and security. Eyes in the sky, teeth on the ground, China's drone arsenal. China's drone arsenal is not limited to simple surveillance platforms. They possess a wide range of UAVs, each tailored for specific missions and capable of operating in various environments. These include high-altitude, long-endurance drones designed for persistent surveillance over vast areas, such as the South China Sea or the Indian Ocean. These platforms can provide real-time intelligence on enemy movements, track naval vessels, and even monitor communications. On the other end of the spectrum, China has developed smaller tactical drones designed to operate at lower altitudes and in closer proximity to enemy forces. These drones, often equipped with electro-optical and infrared sensors, can provide battlefield commanders with real-time situational awareness, identify targets, and even guide artillery fire or airstrikes. Adding another layer to their drone capabilities, China has also made significant strides in developing and deploying armed drones. These platforms, capable of carrying and launching precision-guided munitions, have proven their worth in recent conflicts, demonstrating the devastating potential of drone warfare. Section 4, a show of force, the 2024 BRICS Summit. The 2024 BRICS Summit, hosted by Russia in Kazan, provided a stark illustration of China's growing drone prowess. As part of the summit's military exercises, China showcased its advanced drone capabilities in a series of live-fire drills. These drills, conducted in the South China Sea, involved the coordinated operation of multiple drone types, including surveillance drones, combat drones, and even long-range bomber drones. The exercises were carefully orchestrated to demonstrate China's ability to project power and conduct complex military operations using unmanned platforms. Drones successfully neutralized simulated enemy targets, including warships, air defense systems, and command centers, highlighting the evolving nature of warfare and the growing importance of unmanned systems in future conflicts. These drills served as a clear message to the international community, but particularly to Russia, of China's growing military might and its mastery of drone technology. Section 5. A new era of warfare implications for Russia and beyond. China's rapid advancement in drone technology has significant implications for Russia and the wider geopolitical landscape. For Russia, the challenge is twofold. Not only does it need to address its technological gap with China, but it also needs to find ways to counter the threat posed by China's growing drone arsenal. This will require significant investment in research and development, as well as a fundamental shift in military doctrine to adapt to the realities of drone warfare. Beyond Russia, China's drone dominance has the potential to reshape the balance of power in key regions, particularly in Asia. As China continues to assert itself on the world stage, its drone capabilities will undoubtedly play an increasingly prominent role in its military strategy. The proliferation of Chinese-made drones to other nations further complicates the picture. As more countries gain access to these advanced weapons systems, the potential for drone warfare to shape future conflicts increases significantly.